Automatic manual 3-gear mini steel nail gun with affiliate commission around $2.57. Fruit picker with commission around $0.02. Self-adhesive bandage wrap with affiliate commission around $1.84. Cordless roofing nailer with affiliate commission from Alibaba website around $40.1. Folding shopping cart mini trolley with affiliate commission around $3.88. Silicone no tie shoelaces with commission around $0.06. 3-in-1 wood stapler with nail with affiliate commission around $1.33. Multifunctional portable fruit squeezer with affiliate commission around $0.82. Double-sided carpet tape with affiliate commission from Alibaba website around $0.15. Dumpling maker mold with affiliate commission around $0.065. Remote controlled grass mower cost $1,500 with affiliate commission from Alibaba website around $105. Rapid cooling ice spray with affiliate commission from Alibaba website around $0.63. Seedling transplanting tool with affiliate commission around $0.54. Automatic water dispenser pump with affiliate commission around $0.18. Silicone material toilet seat lifter with affiliate commission around $0.11. Stainless steel banana cutter with affiliate commission around $0.105. Artrees stretch sofa cover with affiliate commission from Alibaba website around $2.52. Manual citrus juice maker with affiliate commission around $0.06. Hair concealer powder with affiliate commission around $0.62. Waterproof commercial plastic carpet covering floor mat with affiliate commission from Alibaba website around 7% of its cost price. Screen magnifier for smartphone with affiliate commission around $0.47. Poker card bottle opener with affiliate commission around $0.19. Magnetic floating moon lamp with affiliate commission around $3.5. Balloon blowing toy with commission $1.3. Dumpling maker mold with affiliate commission $0.35. Bike phone holder phone case with sensitive touch screen with commission around $0.42. Commercial taiyaki fish-shaped waffle maker, non-stick electric taiyaki machine with affiliate commission from Alibaba website around $16.45. Laser guided wall climbing car toy with affiliate commission from Alibaba website around $1.34. Holding aircraft vehicle with affiliate commission around $1.06. Double layer umbrella headwear with affiliate commission around $0.94. Transparent waterproof sticky wall hanging adhesive with affiliate commission around $0.14. Vegetable spiralizer and apple slicer with affiliate commission around $0.91. Stainless steel oil frying filter spoon with affiliate commission from Alibaba website around $0.05. Non-stick coating mini electric cooking pot with affiliate commission around $1.46. Stainless steel needle blade meat tenderizer with affiliate commission from Alibaba website around $0.71.